for today. For today.
That doesn't mean there isn't a long opportunity. There absolutely is a long opportunity here, but I would say see money, take money type environment. If you can't basically hold over 25,000, you want to be taking profits very, very quickly today. Downside pressure will start to come if we start to see acceptance underneath previous day's point of control, underneath previous day's value area low. All right, so at the moment we can't get over previous week value area low.
What do I do? How do I duplicate this again? Who's gonna save me now? Who's gonna save me now? Save me now. Um.
Every time I say I need space, I end up at your doorstep. Every time you pull me back in, I do something I regret. Maybe it's just who we are, ignoring all the red flags just to open up all our old wounds. Back to the start, the emotional pendulum swings right back, and I call you. Wish I could forget
And the lady that to drive me home.
when you felt like the right one. You saved to hold. We were meant to fall apart in the end. I was just a fool. We were too good to be true.
Five minutes in, this is a tight range. It's only 329. This is a good fight. Sellers are winning. Big time, but they're getting absorbed right at the value area low. This is a strong point here. We'll see. Yes, sir, right there. Sellers getting absorbed. There's an imbalance here. I'm full porting today, brother. I'm full porting. I lost $5 yesterday, so it's like $5. I'm like, I don't give a fuck. I'm finding the move. I'm gonna try to ride it for like $10, $12, $13. I'll just fucking deposit 10 more. Like, I fucked myself yesterday. Who cares about fucking $5 trying to get it back? Like you said, it's the whole thing of if you can't turn 10 into 100, then you'll turn 1,000 into 0. And I'm like, well, I better restart. So right now, 200x liquidity at 100% full port puts on a long, puts my liquidation price at 66,864. So it's like 200 points. Let's go. Yeah, I'm just gonna full port this fucking and for some reason it put me out of the trade. I entered a trade here this morning, a short, and it put me out for a loss like right away. I didn't even have a stop loss set or a TP. I think I lost 40 cents. I think I accidentally, like when I dragged the stop loss, I dragged it and let go of the mouse to where it was at, and it fucked me. What did you lose? Did you lose the $3 grand? This is a really, really, really small range, man. Holy. Oh, they don't let you do that. Okay, I see. I'm liking what I see here. I watched, so actually today, if you wanna understand order flow from a guy that's been doing it, he's top 3 scalper in the world. You probably heard of him, Fabian. But today there's this at 12:30. Fabio Valentini. He's the one that's working with that company that had the trading platform. They're turning it into deep charts. But like, I was watching a few of his, like, he does trade orb. He does trade orb, but he made it, like, he calls it orb on steroids, right? Because he pairs it with order flow. And like, I was watching him how, like, when orb breaks out, you want to have this volume profile set. And then, you know, you're looking for any imbalances between POC and the side it breaks down. So if it breaks out of the high, then you're looking for POC and an imbalance in between POC and the value area high for it to always come back to. Yeah, I know. Like, dude, yesterday, look at orb over here. It fucking didn't leave all day. All right, orb is in. If these sellers get absorbed down here again, I'm fucking going long. Yeah, it didn't leave. Yeah, it needs to break 66.8. Because, yeah, like you said that. Okay. My analysis same as you. Okay, so 66.8. My analysis comes from the order flow back here. Right? Look at this. Look at where the value areas are. Boom. Boom. That one's a little lower, but that one's 1 slot higher and that one's 2 slots higher. So I just went to the even number, right? 66,800. Because like these would change. These would probably be right on 66,800, but because I have the scale set to 100, it only goes up by 100 points per thing, so. Yeah, they got absorbed again. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's the thing about the range here is the POC. Like, oh, that's, there we go. That's better. Okay, I'm on 100. Is this? It was all on 200. Fuck. I need this. I need to open up a bit. So. There we go, that's a little better. Let's see if they get absorbed again here. Oh, they are. Oh, they are. I think that's the level, and just put the fucking stop tight at 66,900. Let's see. Oh, they fucking broke it. Down she goes. I'm waiting for the retest now. I need to set this as... This is the point I'm looking for. I'm looking for this, so... I gotta look for a retest. Oh, the buyers tried, man. They tried so hard. So hard. Now... Now we got another imbalance here. I'll go down to the 1 minute. I need to go back to 9:30. That was this candle? Yeah. I want to put a volume profile here too. Fuck off. None of my settings be working. Here's the retest. I'm looking for a retest back into here. Honestly. I'm just gonna set this one here. Or I'm gonna do... That's where I'm looking for a retest. To the bottom of the point of control for the first 15 minutes of the session. Yeah, I swear to God, man. What I'm looking for here is a retest back into here to the point of control, and then another move back down to the downside. The sellers, they have to control the POC. But it's funny because on the POC, no, on the POC, okay, there was more red delta than green. What is it? Yeah, minus 49. I'd like to see them protect this level at minus 145. I'm pretty sure they're tapping orb now. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Fuck, this is literally all it is for. This one looks cooked. This is wow, did they ever get absorbed? On the 15 minute. That's a negative 400 delta, and it's close. It might, the 15 minute might close green with a negative 390 delta right now. Wow. Here we go. Look at that 15-minute candle. Holy. See, Fabio, he does 30 minutes. Orb. Wow. Off she fucking goes. That is just absorption. Really bad. Alright, testing the value area high. This is looking like another one of those days, brother. Oh, this is terrible, man. This 67,300 is top of orb. If I would have entered short there, I would have got liquidated. Yeah, look at this 15-minute candle on Bitcoin. Negative 165 delta, and it's fucking green. Oh, that is terrible. All those boys wanted was some fucking liquidity. I think, like, over here, right here. They just needed some liquidity, I think. What's this doing? Like, are we gonna go long today? It traded right back to current day's POC. Yeah, if I do it twice, it works. There. Yeah, it's gonna range again. But the problem is I mean, if you're on 15-minute range, it's not a very big range. I mean, CBD says the huge drop in Delta, but now it's coming up, so I have no fucking clue, man. That was crazy. This is a fucky day. I feel like ass today. My wife is sick too. Oh. That's a finished auction down there. I think we're just fucking gone, baby. Now I'm looking for a break of top of orb and then a retest. It's gotta break 67,300, bro. That's it. Now wait for a retest. Down to POC. And then go long. Okay. What's my hotkey for rectangle? I don't have one. I am simply... Bro, that should have moved down. I mean, I guess there's a bunch of cells there that got absorbed, but that seems like it should have moved down, but it didn't. It's crazy. On the 1 minute we had the retest. Actually, on the 1 minute we had 2 retests of 73. This VWAP slap happened yesterday and fucked me. Because the only thing now is I'm worried about a rotation down if this is going to range. It just crossed the 200 SMA. And look at this. Need to see some absorption here. And then I full poured it. Need a big sell order to get absorbed. Fuck it, I'm in. Oh my god. Come on. Push back up, boys. Come on. Oh, I'm already down 85 cents. I should have seen this. Looking right at it and I'm like, oh my god. I mean, that's my trade set there, so. Just terrible. They're coming down, testing the POC again, seeing what happens here. With a little bit of a rollover, a little order block happen there, so let's see if the buyers want to reload. That's what I'm hoping for. We need the buyers to reload. Ugh. Oh, my liquidation price is actually at 67,247. That's not good. That's really not good. No way. This level's hold. This level's gotta hold. Or I'm gonna get liquidated. And I'm gonna get liquidated. Yep. Oh my god, that's classic. I have 1 penny left. Alright. We're done. Oh god. That's tough. Oh well. Well, like, my initial bias was short, right? Because that moved down. I didn't. That's a liquidity sweep at the bottom. Yeah, I actually got liquidated. It was only like 60 points from entry because I was on 200x leverage. And now watch, it's gonna reload. It just wicked me off. And it's gonna reload and fucking go to the upside. Yeah, I literally just, it's actually pretty easy for me to get it in there now into Baynex because I can e-transfer to Kraken and then just buy Solana or something and Well, there's the first $10 that I turned into 0. Yep, now it's just doing stupid ass shit again. XRP gone for a run though, eh? From the bottom there where it started. What'd you do? Go long? It sucks when it ranges because it's like, it's a gambling day. That's essentially what it is. I hope you went long a little bit earlier than I did. Bro, I'm like, why is this guy still here watching me every day? I'm like, that's what I think about after stream. I'm like, why does he watch me? I'm like, all I do is lose no matter what, you know? There we go again. I'll put $15 in there tomorrow and... Oh, that's great. All those sell orders came in and they didn't push it down at all. It actually went up. That just gave the buyers some ammunition. That's what they were looking for. Hopefully. I want to see you hit a big win. And then you're going to fuck off. and then you're going to leave. I'm like, man, this guy just could fucking go watch somebody else that actually fucking wins. I mean, I'll get there. I'll get there, bro. Like, that's the thing. I'm only trading. If I trade on a cash account, I'm trading with little amount of money. If I trade on a prop firm account, I'm trading with very strict rules, right? But I watched this video last night, okay? So, on a prop account, to pass the eval like I did, that was how to do it. It's one golden bullet. So... his idea was he's done interviews, he's talked to New York Stock Exchange traders, hedge fund managers, the top retail traders in the world, prop firm traders, and I'm talking prop firm traders that have done like 7 figures in payouts. These guys are spending 400 grand a year on evaluations. And it's essentially what they're doing is they're just, yeah, bro, look at this. I knew it. This was the reload, okay? POC. Look at that. This is the reload. But, so essentially they're trying to one-shot all the evals. So if they buy 20 and they pass 6, okay? So they buy 20 evals for 4,000 bucks. They pass 6, let's say. They now have, this is 100K accounts. They now have $600,000 in buying power. And what they do is they get a $20,000 payout and then they just buy $4,000 more of eval accounts. So they're spending $4 grand every week on evals to pull a 20K payout. And they just keep reloading and reloading and reloading. And they're doing 7 figures a year. One guy did 7 figures in one payout. Because he had 12 funded accounts. And he made... I think he doubled them all. It was like 300K accounts though. So he made 100 grand on like 12 300K accounts. And his payout was 1.2 million. But he spent, I think he spent like 60 grand to get to 12 funded accounts. Because they just try to pass the accounts in 1 or 2, 3 days. 3 trades max. It was fucked what the guy said. Like, your first trade you risk 2%. And then he has a little spreadsheet thing. And if you lose that one, you actually up your risk to like 2.3%. Every time you lose until you get to the drawdown and blow the account, you up your risk. So if I'm risking 2,500 on the trade, I'm looking for a 4 to 1. That's what they're targeting, is 4 to 1. And they're risking 2,500 per trade on a 100K account. They only have 10K in drawdown. So they have like 3 shots to get it. But if one trade wins at 4 to 1, because you're adjusting the risk, it's automatic funded account, as long as you adjust the risk to always get you to 108,000 on the 100K account. Which I'm inclined to purchase another Apex account because they have a 90% off sale again. Hell, there's a 0 print here. Yeah, this has got to come down here and fix this. 0 print on a 15-minute time frame, that's very significant. Means 0 volume. There was no liquidity within this 15-minute time span. Yeah, bro, this is just gonna do some stupid ass shit again. Like, look at the fucking trading view. Look at orb. There's an orb 1 minute. Like, what is this bullshit? But look at this. On the downside, it come into a golden pocket between 61 and 65%. And on the top side, it slapped 61.8%. Look at that wick on that candle. You can't really see it that well, but look at that. It just slapped the golden pocket and retraced back down. Which also the 200 SMA is right here. And VWAP. Yeah, I don't like this. I like to see either this candle come down and fill the 0 print right here, or the next candle is going to come down and fill the 0 print. And if you're out of a trade and you want back into a trade, look for a trade at this, between this imbalance and POC. Literally right here. I'd say you're probably looking for a trade right there. Honestly, probably just don't even fucking look for a trade today. Go do something else. I mean, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, but in about 5 fucking minutes I'm getting off because I'm gonna go watch Canada play hockey, so. Yeah, see, came down and fixed that. Fixed that zero print. Who won the hockey game this morning? Switzerland. Germany. Slovakia won. Yeah, that's... Bro, what the fuck, man? Like, I fucking hate that shit. That's so stupid. Like, how we get the fucking days like this? Like, this is the day you want. This is what you want. You want at 10:30 right now for it to do that. Or this day. Like, that's fucking massive. What is this fib level? This is... Fib 161% fib. Boom. Crashed it. And fucking went on to like, that's like fucking 400%. You get 2 take profits along the way, like TP1 or TP1 100%. I'm pretty sure that's 100. Yeah. TP1, TP2, and do fucking 3 take profits and let the rest run. Like, that's what you want. And the day before, fuck, by 10:30 it was gone. Stupid range day. Fucking didn't ranged until 11 o'clock at night. Fucking Bitcoin, man. Fuck off. What the fuck happened there? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That was when I had the prop account. That was my target price. Traded within that so much. And then look at that. Moved to the other target area. But look at that move today on the NASDAQ. Holy fuck. $869. Oh my. Oh, that's probably... It's already up 300 points. Or 200, sorry, 200. For every one contract on the NASDAQ, 1 point is $2. So one contract, you're up 400. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, this is what you look for, man. Holy shit. That is a perfect day. That is a perfect day on the NASDAQ. The breakout, you wait for the retest. Midline, boom. So you, from orb high, like, it's 250 points. Holy moly, that's 500 bucks. That's on one fucking contract. Too bad Bitcoin wouldn't make a move like that, eh? Can't fucking believe that. 116 point range and it ran for 300. Holy. That is literally here. Yeah, this is painful to watch Bitcoin right now. But like, so I don't know, like with fib levels, right? Because these are, like you said, right? Fib likes to respect, or the chart likes to respect fib as support, resistance, whatever, right? So let's say like in a prop firm account, you have a day like this. You actually get in down here and you let this thing run back outside. So after 23.6 breaks, hear me out, 23.6 breaks, and then we have 2 candle closes after that. You kind of use these as like profit shelves, right? So if you're gonna trail your stop loss because of the trailing drawdown, let's say your fresh account, it trails you up to 2,500 plus, right? 52,500. So I trail my stop loss behind each one of these points, right? And then when we broke up here, then 2 more candle closes above and drag stop loss up here. And then up here, 2 candle closes above, drag stop loss up here. Bitcoin finally doing something. That's absorption right there on the 1 minute. If I go here, that's huge. Anything over 40 on a 1 minute with 100 point range is huge. But look at that. I fucking full ported up here. All I had to do was literally trust the video I watched last night and wait for the reload at POC. But no, I just top blast all the time. Oh god. It's rolling now. Sellers getting absorbed again. Here we go. Bitcoin about to follow the NASDAQ. Look at it respect orb too. Bitcoin. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. You're going to 161, baby. Yep. Oh my god, there's my fucking $15. Let's go. You top blasted, closed it for a loss, and then bottom blasted the rest. That's awesome. I'm pretty sure fib level, the probability of a breakout for fib to hit 138.2 is really high. Like, this is the high probability target on a breakout on an actual moving day. And then I think it's like fib 300 for like extremities. There you go. 138 hit. Gone. 161. You gotta be up a fat bag already. Yeah, what was I saying yesterday about fucking... I literally said that yesterday about about 69k. I was like, I wanted to come here. That is what I said. I said yesterday when it ran out here, I was like, okay, it's gonna, or when it come up here, this is when I top blasted again. I top blasted again. I was like, okay, we're gonna finally fucking break the range. We just had this huge ass move. We're gonna break the range and we're gonna run to 69k. And what did it do? It fucking reversed and went all the way back to the bottom of the range. I'd be looking to see here, wait, what's... Okay, so this is yesterday's value area high, 68.3. Yeah. 68.3 is yesterday's value area high. If you can break 68.3 and you're still holding... Yeah, you go into 69. I can't look at 3 minutes on anything. Oh, I can on BitUnix. Yes, I can. Oh, you sent me a screenshot. The red hammer candle at the bottom on the 3 minute. What are you trading? That's $1.48. Is that XRP? Oh, this is interesting. Gone. Go. Absorbed all the sellers. Now she's just gonna roll through the value area high, I think. The Bitcoin's strong now, baby. I bet the fucking NASDAQ is gone. No, that's Bitcoin. No, the NASDAQ. See, now the NASDAQ. What happened? When the NASDAQ started to roll over and range and chop, Bitcoin just took off. Literally, probably the exact same time. That was roughly 10, 15 minutes ago. Kind of, yeah. Bitcoin is gone. There goes 68.3, value area high taken. Yeah. So you're above yesterday's orb right now. Top of orb yesterday was at exactly 68.2. Bro. Okay. Calculator. Let's go to the calculator. This is what really fucks me. Is if I went long at here 67,270, let's call it 67,280. What are we currently trading at? 68,298. Holy shit. 67,280. Close price. What is it again? 68,280. Yeah, it's a 1,000-point move. And I do one. No, I can't do 0.02. Nope, couldn't quite get that. 1.7. Nope. 1.3. Okay, could have got that. So right now I'd be up $13. Yeah, look at that. Value area high from yesterday. 68.3, that's what I said. 68.3. Sellers showed some strength there on the last 1 minute candle. Look at that. That's textbook. This is set to last day, so this is a value area high. Now you're looking for. You don't want VPOC to break. If yesterday's VPOC breaks, you probably want to take some profits. This is really strong. This is, if this fucking breaks, your toast. She'll go down to POC. Yesterday's VWAP is here, which we slammed. You got a good imbalance here, right below POC. You don't want to see that go. Buyers were so strong above VWAP. Yeah, bro, I would have made 13 on that trade. And then reload here for 13 more. Just fucking full port all day. If I reloaded here, it's 68k. And ran it to 69. At 0.02, nope, 0.025, 0.032, 4, oh, I could have, actually, fuck, I could do more. I'd have $17, so, if it ran to 69k today, if I reloaded right here, I would make 50. But I wouldn't do 200x again. Fuck that. I did 200 on that trade, bro. Yeah, I would be. It just whipped me off. Right here. It fucking whipped me off. At 247. Right here. It whipped me off at 67,247, and then it just fucking went for a run. This thing just slapped the 5-minute moving average and stalled out, which is good. Yeah, I would be in, and I would be up about $7 right now. If I had 100x. Honestly, didn't mean to have 200x. I didn't mean to do that. That was just dumb. That was not sensible. Full port the 17C? What do you mean? Even if I did 200x leverage, bro, I'd still be in. Or 150, sorry. I tried that. I don't know, they'll probably block me again because I tried that on another platform and it detected that I had 2 accounts. I called this imbalance. This imbalance. Don't break this. Don't break this. They said it was fine? That's so weird. This is not good, bro. This is not good. I mean, SMA and the MACD would be rolling over right here, so they crossed the 13. 5 and 8 crossed 13. Hopefully you don't get a full rollover back into orb. That would suck. But I might do that again then. I might start a new account on there, and you don't make much on it, but it's fine. Turn $1 into 10. See, bro, like, but I would have, yeah, I would have been out already. Hell, if I made this trade, I would have been out at 161. That's crazy. Because you have that setting, or you can do default. Which yeah, fib's better, I think. You just slapped 138% fib. Rotation backups. Come on. Show some absorption here. We're losing the CVD. The bulls are losing the CVD. Get it back. But, bro, I'm gonna go up, get something to eat, watch the hockey game, chill out for the day. I'm fucking sick as fuck. My throat hurts so bad. Go to work today and make some money. I'll ride this elevator right back down to 0, I don't care. That's great. Oops. All right, bro. Well, good luck. I can take off. Catch you later.